Good morning. Already in our previous class, we are teaching how to write the number names in Hindu Arabic system. That is also giving up to 10 lakhs. Only up to 10 lakhs you have to learn and write the number names in Hindu Arabic system. Today I extended more. That means up to 10 crores today you have to practice. One check the table of the Hindu Arabic system. Right? In Hindu Arabic system, we have to read the place values like in this way. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Once again, in Hindu Arabic system, we have to count the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, yesterday we have to learn up to 10 lakhs only. Today we are going to learn up to 10 crores. Okay, I'll give the small examples here. He has to write the number name which is consisting with these digits 4, 6, 3, 9, 2, 8, 4, 2, 0. What is the name of the number? He has to write in number name. Before writing one number, I said you one rule. What is the rule? You should divide the number by using the commas. You should divide the number by using commas. Now I should divide the number here. You should observe clearly here. Now, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. 10 crores means you have to take the 2 digits comma. After 2 digits you put the comma. Again 10 lakhs also get here, so that again 2 digits you comma. 10,000 came here, so that you get the 2 digits. This is 420, 3 digits for hundreds only. Now I should write the number here. You should observe clearly. Now 46 crore 39 lakhs 39 lakh 28,000 420 420. This is the name of the first number. I'll get one more. This is also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Here not getting the 10 crores. Only crores are getting. So take the 1 digit here. 10 lakhs you getting. You take the divide with 2 digits. 10,000s here. You take the 3 digits. 248. Now 5 crore 75 lakh 32,000 248 248. This is the number of basic. In that, suppose ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. 10 crores means put the comma for 2 digits. 10,000s here also, 10 lakhs also here also, put the comma here. 10,000s here also, put the comma here. 219. Now 72 crore 9 lakhs 9 lakh 28,000 219 219. Now this is that ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. 99 lakh crore 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999, 999. Okay, this is the number. Here also 7 crores, 75 lakhs, 77 lakhs, 77,111. 7 crore, 77,000, 77 lakh, 77,000, 111, 111. Okay na? Now some more examples like this. 230000339. This is the number. We should write the number name. Mostly in a number, if I have the more zeros, automatically children get little bit confused. I'll explain how to write this. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Only crores you get, put comma. This is the 10 lakhs, you put the comma. This is the 10,000, you put the comma. Now the number name is 2 crore 30 lakh. There is no thousands plus. So you need not write any thousands. 339. Right here. 2 crore 30 lakh. There are no thousands here. Just 339. 39. Okay. Now one more. Hear that. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. 10 crores means put the comma for 2 digits after. 10 lakhs means put the comma for after 2 digits. 10,000 means put the comma after 2 digits. Now 13 crore 90 lakh 3,000 and 943. Okay. One more. Here also more zeros in this number. Just observe clearly here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. 10 crores means keep the after 2 digits. 10 lakhs means keep the comma after 2 digits. 10,000 keep the 2 digits. Now 10 crores, there is no number in the lakhs place, so that you need not write any lakhs. Again thousands, right? 10 crore, there is no number in lakhs, take that. 9,000, 10 crore and 9,000. There is no number in 100 place and 10 plus units place. Therefore, its number stops after 9,000. Again, one more. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Here the 10 crores. Keep the comma here. There is no lakhs here. There is no 10,000s here. There is no hundreds. There is no 10 plus. Only units plus 3 is there. Now that 50 crores. Need not to write the lakhs, thousands, hundreds. Just 50 crores and 3. 50 crores and 3. That is the number name. 50 crore and 3. Don't get confused, children. Listen carefully. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. In the place of lakhs, nothing is there. In the place of 10,000s and 1,000, nothing is there. 100 place also nothing. Tens place also nothing. Only units plus 3. So that you write the 50 crores and 3. Now last example. This ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. 10 crores will come here. There is no number in the lakhs. Only 2 in the thousand place. Now you should write 10 crore. There is no lakhs place. 2,000. 2,900. 900 and 8. 908. This is the number. Thank you.